To have a look at how the current road system works, because it does work, but it's not completely done yet. Yeah, and I think we're gonna start there. It might be a little bit tricky. It might have a bunch of programming um, related thinking involved. But as soon as it's done, then we can move on to more fun stuff, like possibly new resources in the warehouse, because right now only clay can be stored, and it would be good to have new resources for that. Maybe move some of the clay to a pottery workshop, and then have the pottery resources move towards the warehouse. Um, so yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be working on in this stream. And we're first gonna check out how what roads currently work. Okay, so here we have the road system. Road. As you can see, like right now I'm holding the mouse and it's just filling every tile that I go over with a road tile. This is not how it should work. How it should ideally work is I click here and I click here, and it will then use the pathfinding to create a road like this. And if I right click, of course, then it should cancel it. So let's turn that into some to-do list related things. When I click on the round with create a road enabled, enter road place mode, and save the start point. Temporarily fill all tiles the pathfinder touches with a road tile or a cube. Upon release, place road tiles in each of the tiles. One per frame? Question mark. The reason I'm saying one per frame is because that will allow us to spread the load a little bit. I'm not sure how necessary that's gonna be here. Maybe we can do 5 per frame, maybe we can do all of them at once, it all depends. But I like to keep efficiency in mind from the get-go, if at all possible. From the get-go. Okay, let's check again how it currently works. If I click here, then hold mouse and click here, then I want the road to use pathfinding to go like this. So, up, loop, loop. Yeah, and this is why I have this other note. Call the fixed road sections part of the script, also after deleting road section. Because that fixed road section, like here's a dot, that gets called whenever I place a new road section. Then it looks at the surrounding tiles to see what shape it should take. That's why when placing it, it's across as well. I shouldn't be doing this, but maybe I should also only have palm trees here and remove the other trees that don't really fit. Maybe just have some higher palm trees and some lower palm trees. Question mark? Maybe a date farm? So what we're gonna be looking at is the road section, and I'm not quite sure how I should do this. I could ask ChatGPT in a bit, but I'm gonna brainstorm a little bit in live with you guys as well. So we have a start point, we have an end point. Let's start with a very simple one. We have a start point, we have an end point. Then I want to identify each tile that gets touched in between. And then after that, so we get a bunch of IDs. So this is, for instance, tile 50, this is tile 51, this is tile 52. So between 50 and 52. No, we shouldn't do that by ID. Oh no, actually, the order doesn't really matter here. So we can still use tile IDs, because then we will just go over each of the tiles, and in this case, place a tile here, then place a road tile here, then place a road tile here. And that should all work, because, you know, if I make an example of that here, click, 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 then you see, okay, it becomes a line. So that system works. Click, click. Right, so what does the pathfinding currently look like? I might just go dual screen on this one. Bloop. Yeah. So what we have here, these are passable tiles, and the red ones are impassable. I'm gonna go to the Pathfinder code. And here we have all these red dots. And if I enable the road tiles as well, let's disable the other ones actually. Okay. So now I have road tiles only on. And you can see for the pathfinding, all the road tiles are passable. Anything that's not a road tile is not passable. Rocks are not passable as well, but you can't really see that because there's a rock model over the debug cube. Ooh, nicely goes into infinity there. Right, so actually we do need the other graph instead of this one, because we're gonna look at placement first. Should we check if the tile is a valid placement tile? Don't know. Ah, wait, so actually what we need is just a line. So I am gonna go back to the road tiles all. Gonna go back to all, and I'm just gonna spawn a bunch of immigrants. These are house spots. They should spawn here and try to find their way towards the house. Not sure why this looks a little bit laggy right now. If I clear this, it's the console. I'm spamming a lot in the console log. Okay, pause. And here, I'm not quite sure if you guys can see it, but there's a green line. Maybe I can make that more clear somehow. Because this green line is what matters. The green line is the pathfinding. Yeah, you probably really can't tell on stream. Maybe if I zoom in a lot, it's this green line. So, I'm gonna go to the renderer. Show connections. Settings. Max nearest node. Path logging. Okay. Unwalkable node red. Mesh edge black. Left mesh surface. What's this? Surface opacity. Outline opacity. Custom area colors. Connection gradient low. Wait, what if I... No, that's not it. Okay, we don't need this. Oops. Grab. Go to next tile. Damn it. Okay, I'm just checking the settings right now for the A star. Debug path logging. Solid color shows search tree. Search tree? Cool. Graph coloring. Let's play again. So, oops. Okay. Alright, you can see the lines here. Pause. These are so hard to see. I don't know why these lines are so thin. This is the path. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. I'm using A star path finding row in Unity. I want when a unit moves around the map, there is a green line indicating the path it will take. How do I make that path thicker so that I can see it more clearly in the editor? It's important to ask detailed questions. The seeker component, path thicker, path renderer. Okay, something about path renderer. We can have a look at that. So we have an immigrant here. It's this one. Here we have the seeker. Closest node, endpoint snapping, closest node, add points, tags, seeker, detailed gizmos. Sure. Might help. AI path, path finding, sensitivity, height, radius, movement, orientation, next waypoint. Constraint, debug info. I'm not sure why these aren't enabled. No, that's not it. Control Z this stuff. Go here. Okay, so this logs the entire path. Where are the other colors? Green is the line. Connection gradient low. Yeah, I'm not quite sure that that's the one that we're looking for. Custom area colors. Tag names, editor. Will Google actually be better this time than A-star? Than ChatGPT? I don't know. But I currently can't really find the lines that I'm looking for. Oops. Pause. Here, like, you can sort of clearly see the lines here when the background is dark, but I just want these lines to be thicker. And it said go to the script, go to the seeker, draw gizmos are on. Detailed gizmos are not on. Maybe I should try that. Maybe I should try detailed gizmos on maybe just this dude. Can I turn that on? Detailed gizmos. Do we see any difference? We don't see any difference. Nope. Add points. I don't know what that does. Can move, orientation, speed. Continue to exact. Debug info. Why can't I turn those on or off? Not that it matters, because I can't see the line anyway, and I'm looking for the line. Okay. How am I gonna fix this? It should be in here then. I don't know why I can't see it. Ray length? No. Penalties? No. Oh, thick raycast. Wait, what? Ah, thick raycast. Yeah, but I'm not quite sure what this is used for. I'm gonna try it, and then I'm gonna see if I notice any difference. But I'm suspecting this is not the debug line that I'm looking for. Oh, no, it's not, because this is all part of height testing. So that's of no use to me at all. Maybe there's something in the code, like is being suggested here. Oh, okay, sure. We can do that. Why not? Bloop, 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 bloop. What's this? Hmm. Mm. Okay, I think this is a dead end, and I think I should stop looking at this. Custom gizmos. Ah. Sure, why not? At least this works. Or doesn't throw any errors in the script. Okay, so some road tiles, some house tiles, increase the speed, decrease the speed, and pause. Oh crap, I haven't saved this guy, so it's not even gonna work yet. Saving now, playing now. You need to always save the prefab. Some of those, and some of those. But how's it gonna go? Yeah. Pause. Exit this prefab. Yeah, okay, so it's not doing anything. I didn't expect it to be any differently, but would have been nice. Alright, so we're gonna give this up. We're gonna stop with this part because we don't really need it anyway, but it would have been nice. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna go to GitHub and I'm gonna revert all the changes that I just made. Oops. I didn't push my latest changes yesterday. City builder. There we go. Discard, discard. Oh, what? No. Did I not push this last time? That would be kind of sad if I had to redo some of that, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Beautiful wall. Okay, so what we're gonna do instead is figure out Basically what we want is we want the A-star pathfinder to draw a line between the 2 points. So between here and here, we want the pathfinder to go this route. Maybe we should just do that first, and then as soon as we have that route, I'm thinking though, like if we have this start point and this end point, what the pathfinder is gonna do is it's probably gonna cut this off. So let's inspect it. Yeah, okay, so what the pathfinder is likely to do is have this road here and here, and none of these. So, because if I click here and click here, then the fastest route would be like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. It might not even touch this one. But that doesn't change the fact that what we need to start with an A-star path in between 2 points using the all navigation. Mark each cell in that gets touched by that. So that's gonna be our plan. Figure out and place a road tile on it. Update road. Maybe we should draw a temporary road. We should be able to do this. I don't know how, but with enough determination, anything is possible. That or stubbornness. So, but priority thing, I'm gonna take a quick pee first. I'll be back in a sec. Or 60. Okay, guess who's back? It is I. Good guess, good guess. I know I already had a cube. I'm using that for immigrants. So I'm gonna have a look at this bot immigrant guy. Stop playing. AI destination setter, target. Layout, single screen. Put the monitor closer to my face. So cable's too short, that's annoying. Okay, we have this script, we have an AI destination setter. Yeah, so basically what we just need to do is we need to duplicate this. And we're going to make this road destination setter. I'm gonna open this. And what we don't need is the entire immigrant. What I want to add is a cube. So on click, I'm just going to spawn this. Actually, it's going to be in the scene the entire time. I'm gonna open all the relevant scripts first, close all the this. Do I need to open this? No. Move into vacant plot, has arrived, has arrived. Place house with delay. This just checks the distance, it looks like. Okay. So how do we set the destination for this? Update population amount. Maybe it's in here. Vacant plots. Ah, yeah, here we go. This is the target setter. So we need this as well. And I'm just going to update this every tick. So what I'm gonna do is go back to the worker. I'm going to remove this script. And I'm gonna make a new script, set road destination path. Yep. Why is this being like this? Just stop. Okay. So every update return to me. No, I can get this from the place. Point transform. Building place script, yeah, it is. Okay, what we need to do is set the target position. Goodbye. I think we just need this one. It takes a transform. Why does it take a transform over? Maybe I need to add add another cube there. Does this even work if I make this a child of this current object? Let's start off by not... let's try it out. It might work. Target. Target to move to. Yeah. I'm gonna save this. Okay, so now we have a target. And upon clicking, yeah, okay, so let's only do this on click. If input dot get mouse button down, right click. Yep. Then we are going to okay, so I click somewhere on the map, then it will set that cube there, then it will get the destination setter, it will set the target like that. Who or what does the movement? Do we need to move? We don't need to move, we just need to see the line. So maybe this should already be enough. For destination setter. I'm just gonna put it in the scene for now. Maybe put it down a little bit. Maybe even down further. This is underwater. Now it's above water. Let's give it a go. It's a bit finicky, this system, how it works. Why does it keep don't show for a long time? Okay. Just right clicked here. Left click there. Pause. Where's my cube? Oh cube, where are you? Building preview, grass style. Cube. Cube, target cube. There we go. Enable Gizmos. Oh, it's right next to one of those things. Oh, yeah, I'm being a bit silly, am I? Shouldn't this have a child? Ah, yeah, I put in the wrong one. We need this one. Okay. Right. I think this cell is always free. Move it up here. Let's play. Clear on the whole main. Hey, shouldn't that cube be here? We have this road destination setting, but where does it go when I press play? Does it disappear? Pause. No, it still exists. Then what happened? Oh, a bit higher. Okay, it falls on its own. Fine, if you want to do that, be my guest. But right click, left click doesn't really do anything. Apart from deleting the road destination setter. What's that? Why? Wow. I'm very confused by this. We have seeker, AI destination setter, character controller, funnel. What if I remove this? Okay. Here, I click and it disappears again. Why? It's not because of this code. Update pathfinding grid. AI destination set. What if I just move the target cube here? Or here? But I'm mostly curious about why it just disappears without saying or doing anything. It's not even throwing an error. Road destination set. Who? What? Why is it spinning? And where is this line going? It's stopping here for some reason. Oh, okay, so the target cube. Maybe if we put that in here. Okay then. Ah, it might be the character controller that's doing this. Pretty sure it is. You guys might not know this, but I've never worked with this before, so... What is going on? This is always the fun of learning something new. Stuff happens, you have no idea what, and yeah. Radius. Eventually, over time, it gets better, of course. But what I don't understand is... movement. Can move. I'm gonna disable rotation. Okay, so we have this random line going all the way over there. Oh wait, what? So this is my cube and that's the target cube. Why is it all the way over there? 10, 10, 10. 1. 0. Okay. Okay, so now it's updating. Finally, we're getting somewhere. See? If you struggle long enough, eventually it will get somewhere. But please also visualize this. Okay, so now the lines get updated. Oh, why is it so small? What's this? Look. Okay, so see? Well, probably you don't see, but the line is already taking the correct path. That part is good. Oh wait, maybe I just clicked very far away and maybe that's why I did it? Let's try it. Target cube. Click here, right click. Yeah, okay, so... Okay. So I can actually set the target cube, just have to figure out if that position is good. So we have this line, okay, perfect. Ideally we'll want to click the ground and not this, but that's okay. And this error is bothering me as well. I have no idea. Why we're even using Unity Burst. What was that used for? Oh well, it is what it is. It's programming magic. What was I doing? I think this was it. Yeah, okay, so I'm using Unity. I'm talking to Google as if I'm talking to ChatGPT. I should not do this. What would the Google prompt be? Unity A* Pathfinder Pro increase Gizmo line fitness. Actually have a project team that also works with this, so seeker line of the maybe there's some options here. Fade Gizmos, selection wire, selection outline. Oh wait. AI path, here we go. It looks like green was already clicked. No. Can we set the thickness here somewhere? Probably not. Selection wire, fade Gizmos. Fade out and stop running Gizmos that are small. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Here, the line is still super thin. Unity increase A* Pathfinder Pro increase AI path line debug Gizmo line width. Okay, sure. Sounds cool. We have multiple editor folders. But do we have one for A* Pathfinder Pro? Yes, we do. And we even have an editor folder here. AI base, AI lerp. Is it AI lerp? No, it's AI path. think I'm being sidetracked again, but I really just want to see that line clearly. I mean, I know I am getting sidetracked. But fine, let's just throw in this suggestion. And if it doesn't work, that doesn't work. Copy code. Loop. Save. Save again. Oh. Let me guess, it's protected as well. Yeah, this is just not gonna work out, I fear. Yeah, no, we're not gonna do this. We're gonna stay sidetracked for I don't know how long. It's not worth our time. Especially since we already have the line. It's just difficult to see. Maybe what I can do is make the ground underneath it a bit more clear. So perhaps we are not using this map. Oh, we're not using this one. We are using this one. Do we have visuals here? No, we do not. Grid, shape, color. Nope. Settings. Debug. What color are we using for this? Let's make it a bit darker. Yeah, like so. Save. Colors. Solid color. Yep. Press play. As you can see, it has moved. We do have this line now, but it's so difficult to see. Like the background has to be completely black. Adding or removing it doesn't do much. I mean, it is this one. Path logging normal, heavy. What is the difference between path logging heavy, normal? Go back. Okay, so we don't need that. Making this darker does make it slightly easier to see. Unwalkable is red. Bounce handles. Mesh edge. Okay. Nav mesh surface opacity. That also helps. Okay. Outline opacity. Well, okay, so, okay, fine. This makes it a bit easier to see. What did I just change? Opacity behind objects, okay. So, I'm going to increase that opacity behind, like so. And now I should be able to see it easier. That's not the solution I was going for, but it works, so. Yeah, perfect. Also, I'm still being distracted by this, so I'm gonna have to look this up as well. Cell helper. I'm gonna copy all of this. I'm gonna make a new thread. I get this script. Yeah, okay, so it's telling me to remove this again. I'll just ask Google, but normally, why are you like this? Normally ChatGPT can give you the answer right away. Let's have a look. The error means that you have a script component on a game object in your scene hierarchy, which was, but no longer is, extending mono behavior. Ah, that makes sense actually. That makes perfect sense, because I do have that cell helper here somewhere. Where's this cell helper? Public class. Yeah, it's no longer extending mono behavior. You're completely correct. Grid cell helper. There we go. Why if I double click this, won't it just select this so that I can just remove it and resolve the entire issue? Do you know? I don't. But it's silly, I'll tell you that much. It's very silly. Silly. Okay, so we have the line, fixed grid cell helper issue. AI path, we are going to revert this. I think we are going to revert all of this. Well, just these. Discard. Okay, so why is this modified if there's no content changes found? This we are going to keep. Removed grid cell helper bug that was caused by it no longer extending mono behavior. Plus set up the basic road system setter. Bloop. Bloop again. does look like I need to change this again. This one. They see me rolling. They hate it. Darker. Pretty sure it was easier to see just now. Oh. Alright then, Chief. Okay, perfect. I still want to figure line, but I'm not gonna spend any more time on that and just ignore my OCD or whatever it is. Made nav mesh line easier to see. Save. Mid. Push. Hello, Ivy Jacob. Okay, so we now have this line. Make each cell gets touched by... Okay, how do I do this? Okay, hello. Make each cell that gets touched. Place a rotor on it. So see, the path works. Whoa, where's it going? All the way over there, apparently. Fine. Which is fine. But what I do want to do is tag every object the AI path. Right. I'm using the AI, the A star path find row package for Unity. Right now, an AI path is drawn over the ground towards the destination. The ground is made up out of cells. Each cell holds a game object. Well, under it really. How do I get a list of all cells that got touched by the AI path? This is good to know. Get nearest should sort of work, except for around corners. Interesting. Well, what I'm gonna do first is draw a tiny city. Bloop, 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 bloop. Shovel. Make a nice little path here. A little house. Bunch of houses and a fireman somewhere here. Maybe even two. Market. And I want a nice little well somewhere. I wonder what this will do actually. When it's done building, but it can't go anywhere. It will spawn a dude that does what exactly? Oh, it tries to go to 0, 0, 0. Cool. Road tile, like so. Okay then. What are they doing? Oh, okay, now it actually does work or something. Okay, so the system I made last time, I accidentally deleted it apparently. That's a bit annoying. Yeah, it's a little bit annoying. But I can fix that later. I'm working on the roads now. The whole reason I set this up was because I have to be really quickly. Pause, play, maximize, unpause. There we go. Back in a sec. Okay. I've worked hard this weekend, so I'm gonna try to see if I can quit working on this in like an hour and a half. But before that, I would really like to have the path, the road system done. Might be a tall order, who knows. I'll go inspect this on my second screen in the meantime. Actually, I'll do it on my main screen. This I might be able to use. Yeah, I might be able to use this. No. Also no. Also no. Also no. Yes. Paste. Remove. 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 Put this here. Yep. So far so good. On source path complete. No overload. No overload for on-source path complete. Yeah, ding dong. Didn't I have path complete somewhere? AI path dot reached end of times like this, I wish I was a better programmer. So I have no idea how this even works. Fully dependent on AI in this case. No overload or search path complete matches tab actual. Yeah, I highly doubt this is gonna fix it. Amazing. Damn you. This is already my code. Whoa, what's going on here? This is so not gonna work. I might have to cut this up into sections and just go over it that way instead of hoping AI can fix it for me. Mm-hmm. Oh wow, this is totally something I screwed up. Yep. Well, that's all nice and dandy, but that doesn't fix the issue, so I'm gonna copy paste it again. Put this up here. Screw you. Oh, oh, oh. Making assumptions, making assumptions. Silly little code thingy. Don't you know, Mr. AI, that assumptions are bad? For a long time. Tell the rambler, the gambler, the magpie. You may hide your hand. Damn you. Silly little thing. Screw you. We don't need on-search path complete. Why are you like this? Let me guess. Oh, there's actually no errors this time. That's new. Okay. You know, for some things, this thing is great. For others, not so much. Okay, so how does spawn road tiles work? It gets the path points, sample path based on this. Alright. Yeah, this is perfect. Road tile prefab, we're gonna put a cube in there. We're gonna see what it actually does. It might actually do something. Set road destination, that's for this one. I'm just gonna give it a 3D object cube. Enjoy the cube. I wonder what kind of errors it is gonna give. After 1 second. Window, layouts, single. I wonder, did it actually spawn any cubes? Yes, it did. Will they be in the right position? Oh, maybe. Maybe it's doing something. We're gonna change this. We don't want this. We want this to happen whenever we click. Yeah, we want this to be here. And where can we set the delay? Here. We're gonna put it like so. I have a second sheet, fine. Bloop, 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 bloop. We're actually getting somewhere, which is quite amazing. I wonder if we get like have a route or a vague route if I right click here. Let's see. Okay. Sort of. Definitely sort of. Hello, Gizmos, please. Alright, so we see this path. You see it hits the edges here, that's why it makes a new one. No idea why this is here, or this, or this. That one makes sense. Those make sense. I mean, it's sort of doing what I want it to do. But it is a little bit disheartening. Because I want the roads to work in a very particular manner. Looks like this system is going to be even more complicated than I thought. I just want to be able to click here and click here and let the path like this adds road tiles. I also want to make it so that if I click here then drag all the way to here, that the path we get isn't this, but instead it's like this. I mean, we are getting closer, that can't be denied, and if I keep trying then I'll succeed at some point. It's just a little bit frustrating to always have to take the long way around. This is why on new projects I also want to work with programmers rather than doing things myself. But I do work a lot faster than they do usually. So it's a bit hit and miss. Let's say I have clicked here and then clicked here. Then we should have a road like this. But what will happen in reality is it will go like this. We want this, and we will get this. Perhaps it's time to research a little bit how it works in a star. Or I should ask a friend in the meantime. I'm gonna use a landline and help a friend. Or ask a friend. But to do that, I'm first going to start up a Caesar tree. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, recording has started. So what I currently have is, if I in Unity, oh, please less speed, is if I click here and then click here, then it will automatically make a path, and that path will roughly look like this. Because that's the fastest way to go from here to here. Which is fine if we were to move around these bushes, for instance, because if we're gonna want to go from here to here, then it makes sense that the road takes this shape, because this will literally, once again, be the fastest route. However, what I want is how it works here. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna click here, and it's going to make the road go in 2 straight lines. Click, hold, go here, release. There you have it. If I want to do it the other way around, well, okay, it doesn't work the other way around, because if I drag it to here, then it will just take the same route it just did. So first I have to make this line, and then I can again make this line, which is fine. The main thing is, I just want to delete, 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 delete. Yeah, make a path like so. Like so. I just want, if I click here and then click here, then I want as straight as possible lines. So, wait, what's going on? Do we have an error here, an issue? Is this blocking something? What's going on? Ah, this was blocking it probably. So this is what happens if I do it like this. What if I do it the other way around? Okay, and if I do it like this? Okay, I'm clicking from here to here. Okay, if I do it the other way around, I'm clicking from here to here. Okay, so the path in this case is the same, but you know, you get what I want. I want drag, drop. Oop, we have a straight road. Drag, drop. Well, we have a straight road. So, but you can see, like, it works in 2 different ways. If I take this south route basically and click on this, I'm holding the mouse pressed right now. Then you can see it first goes like this and then goes like this. So from here to here, it will always go north first and then east. So like so. See? But here, if I go from here to here, it will always take this L shape. So if I repeat that here, I'm gonna click here, then I'm gonna click here, or drag it to here, then we will get an L like this. See? And if I do it the other way around, if I want to drag from here to here, it will not work. Because it will just scroll up to here and then like so. So let's see. See? What if I want to go from here to here? Then it will, yeah, then it will work. Okay, so from top to bottom, is that what it is? No, it's not. Anyway, it feels instinctive. And that's what I want to replicate. See, here we have the same issue over like this as we have over here with that. So from this direction to this direction actually gives the right shapes, I feel. See. Again. I'm holding the mouse down. See the difference? Here, like here, it extends the road like so. I'm gonna go like this. And the reason why we want all this is simply because I want to have a road from here to here. And I want to be like this. I want it to be a width of 2. And I want this to be like this. Like I just want to make roads easily, like I can now. And I want to make all these in groups of 2. In groups of 2. Bloop. Because there's a max amount of distance houses can be built from the road. Yeah, and now speed. Whatever, you get the idea. You got it. That's it. Okay, so I made this instruction video, and he's a better programmer than I am. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna see how big that video actually got, because it was quite a few minutes. Is it tagged as desktop? Yeah. We have this one. The size is 800 megabytes, so that means I have to upload it to YouTube. Okay, so for now this mission has failed. I'm going to update this, upload this to YouTube. Gonna take a small break, take a little bit to eat, and then I'm going to work on the warehouses again so that I do actually finish something today. I do have 1 more hour, so that should work. That's it, and talk to you guys later.